Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use the Kraken's margin trading features. So to get started with the quick guide, Kraken margin trading lets you borrow fund to trade with up to 5 times leverage, meaning you can open a large position than your account balance. It's useful for amplifying potential profit, but also increases the risk. And here's a list of the account requirement for you to be able to use this method. So to get started with the requirement, you must verify your Kraken account immediately to level up your your trading. And also the margin trade assets must be enabled under your account features, then also not available in some regions due to some regulation. And here is a quick guide on how to access the Kraken margin trading. So log into your Kraken account. So just go to kraken.com, then go to the Kraken profile for the advanced interface, then select your desired trading pair, for example BTC USD, which is BTC USD. Then from there you have to deposit fund. From there you have to deposit fund for our funding, so click on deposit, then use the spot wallet based balance as your collateral for margin. Then from there you can deposit fiat, for example you can deposit USD, or you can deposit euro, or crypto, for example you can use the BTC or ETH, which is Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then after that you have to place a margin trade, which is a new method. So open your Kraken Pro, use the order form, then select order type, then from there click on market and limit stop loss, then choose the leverage up to 5 times for most pairs, then enter the trade size, then from there review the margin using the liquidation price shown. Then from there click buy with margin if it is going too long. Then you can also use the another prompt to sell with margin if it's going to be shorting. Then confirm and submit the order. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.